This guided meditation and relaxation is for headache relief and has been designed to help transport the listener into a state of comfort, relaxation, and ease. This audio may be used whenever you're experiencing a headache, anytime during the day, and even at night to help ease headache and muscle tension as you go to sleep. So go ahead and settle in comfortably, seated or lying down, and see if you can begin to loosen the grip of tight muscles in your neck and shoulders just by letting go. Give yourself permission to let go and allow the surface below to support you completely. Now close your eyes. Allow your head to rest in an easy, comfortable way, and let your muscles be soft. Bring your chin down to your chest. Allow the back of your neck to open. And now take a slow, deep breath in to a comfortable fullness. Hold. And now as you exhale, very, very slowly roll your right ear to your right shoulder while releasing the breath. Then hold. And now as you inhale, very slowly roll your chin back to center. And on the exhale, very, very slowly roll your left ear to your left shoulder. Then hold. And as you release the air, slowly bring your chin back to center and lift your head back into an upright, neutral position. And to help loosen your neck a little more, slowly turn your head to the right, looking over your shoulder. Hold. And now gently bringing your head back to center. And now very slowly turn your head to the left, looking over your shoulder. Hold. And now bring your head back to center. That's it. Now to help release tension from your shoulders, when you're ready, shrug your shoulders, squeezing tight while bringing your shoulders all the way up to your ears. Squeeze and hold. And now release. Let your shoulders drop. Let them be soft and supple. Again, shrug and squeeze. And now let go. And one last time, bring your ears up to your shoulders, squeeze, and now relax. Let your shoulders come to rest. And now bring your focus all the way down to your feet. Now imagine the sensation of warmth beginning to spread in your toes, into the soles of your feet, and the tops of your feet. Your feet feel warm and heavy. Warm and heavy in your feet. Now focus on the sensations in your hands and imagine the sensation of warmth beginning to spread into your fingers, into your palms, and the backs of your hands. Your hands feel warm and heavy. Warm and heavy in your hands. Now focus on the sensations in your forehead. Imagine a cool sensation beginning to spread across your forehead from one temple all the way across to the other. Your forehead feels pleasantly cool. Now in your mind's eye, imagine a cool cloth that is folded neatly and is lying against your forehead. The cloth feels very soft, and it can be any color you want it to be. Feel the cloth as it lies gently and softly against your skin. The soft, moist cloth feels nice and cool. Notice the weight of the cloth as it rests gently against your brow. It feels comforting and soothing. The cloth now slowly transforms into a headband that is wrapped around the circumference of your head. Feel the sensation of gentle pressure as it wraps around your forehead, around your temples, above your ears, wrapping all the way to the back of your head. The headband also has a cool sensation, and it feels soothing. The firm pressure provides relief from your headache. Now feel the headband as it begins to slowly unravel. slowly loosening away from the forehead, the temples, releasing from the circumference of your head. And as the headband finally gives way completely, notice the feeling of relief. The headache discomfort fades away, and you feel comfortable and at ease. A pleasant, tingly, warm sensation of relaxation begins to grow and spread from the back of your head and into your scalp, flowing into your forehead and brow, into the temples, bringing comfort and relaxation into the eyes. Relaxation, comfort, and ease flowing into your head, scalp, and face. This warm, pleasant feeling of comfort and ease continues to flow and spread into the rest of your body, cascading down into your neck, across the shoulders, flowing all the way down your arms, into your hands, and into your fingers. And at the same time, flowing from the shoulders and into your upper back and between the shoulder blades. Filling your chest, cascading down into the middle back, into your ribs, filling your lower back, and into the belly. Cascading from your belly and into your hips, into your legs, into your feet, and into your toes. You feel totally relaxed. Your headache has eased off, and you feel calm, comfortable, relaxed, at ease. may drift off to sleep, feeling comfortable and relaxed. Or feel free to enjoy this feeling of relaxation for a little while longer until you hear the sound of a gentle bell, letting you know that the meditation has come to an end.